Good morning, Mr. Railroad Man. What time do your trains roll by? At 9:15, 2:44, 25, 25 minutes till 5. I want to thank you, Mr. Railroad Man. I want to watch your trains roll by at 9:15, 2:44, 25 minutes till 5. I'm standing on a platform, smoking a big cigar, waiting for an old freight train that carries an empty car. And I rode it down to Danville town, got stuck on a Danville girl. Bet your life she was a pearl. She wore the Danville curl, wore the hat on the back of her head, like I told people all do. The very next train come down that line, sadly with tears in my eyes, bid that girl adieu. Good morning, Mr. Railroad Man. What time your trains roll by? At 9:15, 2:44, 25 minutes till 5.